Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize your content strategy with BuzzSumo step by step clearly.
Start by logging into your BuzzSumo account.
If you don't have an account, create one by visiting the BuzzSumo website. Once logged in, familiarize yourself with the dashboard. Navigate to the search bar at the top of the page. Enter a relevant keyword or topic related to your content niche.
Review the search results showcasing popular articles and trends.
Take note of the most shared content in your field.
Click on any specific article to analyze it in detail. Examine engagement metrics such as social shares and backlinks.
Use these insights to identify what resonates with your audience.
Next, head to the Content Analysis tab.
Input your specific domain to analyze your existing content performance. Review the detailed reports on your top-performing articles.
Identify gaps in your content that need improvement.
Now, go to the Competitor Research section. Enter your competitors' websites to see their popular content. Analyze their strategies to discover what is working for them.
Return to the main dashboard and explore the Influencers tab.
Search for industry influencers who can help promote your content.
Compile a list of these influencers for future outreach efforts.
After gathering your insights, brainstorm new content ideas. Focus on topics that align with audience interests and gaps in the market.
Develop a content calendar based on your findings.
Plan a mix of article formats, such as blogs, videos, and infographics. Leverage the insights from social media shares to tailor your content. Finally, regularly revisit BuzzSumo to tweak your strategy based on new data.
This ensures your content remains relevant and engaging over time.
If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.